Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete IKEA account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, you can see that we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, and your account. Also in the top of the screen, we have the search bar, and in the top right corner, of course, everything about your profile again. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete an IKEA account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go to the bottom of your screen, so the bottom left side of the screen or the top right, and click out of all of these options, the fourth option, which is your account. A screen like this will pop out, where you have your profile information, invoicing and shipping, login and security, and the settings option. What you need to go and click on is the login security. Here you have code and delete account. So you can remove your IKEA family account at any time. This will delete your account, purchase history, and all information about it. Click on delete account. Just a second. And you have to wait. Put in your password. Click delete account. And your account has been officially deleted, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.